Hello YouTube, back again with another huge parking lot sale um, event from Harbor Freight. 3 days only, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, June 8th, 9th, and 10th, from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. extended store hours. Alright, when I went to the store, basically got this with this. It's a memorial 4-day sale. A couple free coupons. We got a 25% off Memorial Day, Monday, May 28th. Another 20% free items there. And some more coupons on the back. Alright. Alright, the first item here that I see, it is pretty good. $76.99 for this Portland 1750 PSI electric pressure washer. If you guys want to see my review, I will put it up there, and I'll put the link up there for you guys. But yeah, this is a good pressure washer for the house for $76.99. Good deal. It's probably the cheapest I've seen it. The cheapest I've seen it is $79.99, so this is good. A couple of bucks off. This is a good one too. Reciprocating saw from Chicago Electric, $19.99. I've seen this all the time, so no big deal on that. And then we got the Rapid Pump 1.5 ton lightweight aluminum service jack. That's a good deal, $49.99. Here's another good one, and this is a new one actually. It's a 30-inch 4-drawer service cart, or tech cart, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's the new version. I guess it has the struts. Has the struts and good price for $9.99, so which is under $100. And then we got the all these are free items. Just wait for the coupons, I guess. Don't pay the $2.99. Just wait for the free coupons. They'll get in the mail, or go online and look for them. Here's some more items. Basically it's all regular price. This is usually $149.99. I've seen this a few times. $129.99. $179 for the generator, and $164.99 for the airless sprayer. So let's take a look at the inside here. Let's see. Oops. All right. First, we got the brand new. As you can see, this is brand new basically. US General Series 2 26-inch by 22 single bank roller cabinet. That's a new one. It's a Series 2. I just wish they came out with different colors, but anyways. This is a Series 2 and it's $229.99. I guess new and improved, huh? And then we got the full motion TV wall mount for $39. That's not too bad. Let's see. Great jack stands here, guys. For the money, $16.90 for under $17. These are great. I mean, that's the best you can get right there for the price. There's a good one here, $19.99, industrial grade rubber hose. It's a good quality hose. We got the pancake compressors for $39.99 for light duty use or nail gun. Oh, we got this one. I want to get this one, the Portland 3-in-1 vacuum and mulcher. I want to get that. These are good too. 13 piece 1/2 inch drive impact socket sets. I don't know about the price. I've seen it, just for $19.99. I always seen it like that. So here's a good one. Pittsburgh Pro half an inch drive, 25-inch professional breaker bar for $14.99. This is a real good deal here. These breaker bars are excellent. There's other videos on YouTube that compare them to Snap-on and other brands, and Harbor Freight does hold to other name brands. So, and they even put a lot of pressure on it on that video. So, let's see what else they got over here. We got the welder. It's a 125 amp flux core welder for $89.99. Got the pressure washer for $249, 2,500 psi. We got the non-contact infrared thermometer with laser targeting for $14.99. I think I'm gonna get this because I need it for my battery bank, just to make sure my batteries are not too hot. See what else? Oh, they got the Bauer 20 volt lithium coreless half an inch impact wrench for just under $100. It's not too bad. Here we got this is not the cheapest I've seen it, but then again it's still a good product. The 100-watt solar panel kit. That's a good product. It's usually there. I seen it for $149.99, so that's not the best price. I know they jacked the price a little bit. They might be selling a lot of these. That's why they jacked the price. Let's see what else they got here. This is a good one too. The Vanguard 50 feet by 12 gauge multi outlet extension cord for $28. I went to the store actually. Now, and I paid for a 14 gauge. I paid about $30, about 30 something bucks. So this is a good deal right there. Let's see what else they got here. This is a good one here, you know, for $7.99. Step drill bit set. Let's see what else they got. I got these decoration lights for $18.99. Outdoor 24 feet 18 bulb socket outdoor string lights. That was a good one. And they got the heavy duty miter saw stand for $94. I think I seen this cheaper. Let's see what else they got here. We got the entry level 18 volt 3/8 cordless drill driver for $15.99. I wouldn't pay the $19.99 for both. I would just get this one if I wouldn't have anything. That's a good starter drill. We got the Rapid Pump 3-ton steel heavy duty low profile service jack from $78.64. That's not too bad. Oh, here's a good one. 36 LED solar security light. I got this for $17.99. Works real good for a small space. Maybe a driveway or a real dark area you have at your house. You know, it lights it up real good. Then again, it's a smaller area. It's not like your bigger light, but it is solar powered, so it's a free light, free electricity. Here's another good one. The 845 aluminums under hood rechargeable work light. That's a good one for $29.99. That's a good price. Yeah, basically that's it for my quick review for this huge parking lot sale and disposal sale from Harbor Freight. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.